What's up, guys? It's your average gear reviewer here. And what if I told you that you could get everything on this table right now for less than $280? Yeah, you heard me right. And if you had to sit down and take a minute, that's okay. I understand. But yes, Olight Store right now is having a massive sale. I'm sorry, this video is a little bit rushed, but I had to get it out because this sale is crazy, guys. You can get everything on this table right now for less than $280. Let's break it down. Okay, so guys, just before I get into it, I just wanted to say this video is going to be a little bit more just brief, rapid style video because I was just on Olight Store and I noticed they have up to 40% off on some of their stuff going on. Crazy deals. Like I was saying just now, everything I had on here you could get for less than $280. In addition to that, they have their Olight Knife Day Bundle Mega Pack. This thing is crazy, guys. It's $194, and for that, you're going to get the Oknife Mettle in Gun Gray, which I do actually have here. You're going to get a Rubato 3, which I don't have. You're going to get the Freeze 2 in the Titanium, and the Exploit Mini Green. All those are $299 normally. They're bundling together for $105 off. You can get it for $194.94. That's at olightstore.com. I'm going to put a link down below. If you guys don't have an Olight Store account, please sign up. You could get up to 10% off. You get free gifts every month. And right now they have a ton of stuff, not just the metal and not just that mega pack going on right now. Right now you can get the Freeze in OD Green. This is a beautiful EDC knife, Wharncliffe blade. It's a Wharncliffe blade. It's a 154 cm metal. So if you know steel, that's a good tool steel. It's resilient, but it will hold an edge. And it's also fairly easy to keep sharp. The Wharncliffe design is great for EDC. It's a liner lock. Got good jimping here. T8 screws on the pivot. T6 here. You do have the lay flat pocket clip, which is reversible for right or left-handed use. It is an awesome knife. It's one of the most flicky knives I've heard. I heard somewhere that all their knives are designed by Kaiser, and now it makes sense why they have that awesome feel to them. You just got to get your hands on one. The Freeze in OD Green is normally $74.99. Right now they're selling it for $63.74. You can bundle it with the Open Green Mini for at $1. These are normally $12.99. You can add one to the bundle for $1, folks. They're giving this stuff away. They're literally giving it away. So in addition to that bundle, right now you could get the Olight Mettle in Gunmetal Gray, which is my favorite color. It's a button lock. Again, it's in the 154 cm steel. You get more of a drop point blade with this one. Very good cutter. It's sharp. It's very, very sharp out of the box. Again, you're going to have the T8 pivot, T6 hardware. You get the lay flat pocket clip, which is reversible for right or left. They really have thought of everything with these. It has a great grip here where your finger holds it, so you got kind of a slip. Lots of jimping on the back of these. That's one thing I'll say about Olight. They put a ton of jimping on the back of their blades, so it's very easy to get your fingers in there and use that. The button lock, that's awesome. Right now you can bundle that with you can bundle it with the i3T. It's the i3T vertical lines in titanium. I don't have one, so just for reference, I'm going to show you the i3T in black. It's got a couple of different settings, pushtail, and it's really, really bright for its size. You can bundle that with it. And like I said, again, it's not this one. It's the titanium version, which is normally $36.99. The vertical lines, if you haven't seen it, it's from their new lineup. It's awesome. You can bundle those together for $81.99. Normally, those will be $126. The metal in Gunmetal Gray by itself is normally $89.99. So they're literally paying you $7 to take an i3T titanium off their hands in the new vertical stripe. So take advantage of that bundle. If you don't get anything else, grab one of those, because that's an insane deal. Right now you can get the Rubatos, the Rubato 2. Let's see, we got the Rubato 2 in carbon fiber, normally $84.99. Right now it's on sale for $72.24. The Rubato 2 in stainless steel, it is normally $99.99, on sale for $84.99 right now. That is a great price on these. These are supposed to be pretty good collector's items. You know, they do use the rail lock system. They both have 154 cm steel on them. You'll notice again T8s on the pivots. They do have T6 hardware. Pocket clips are reversible, so right or left-handed, either way, it's a thumb stud opener, or you can just use the rail lock button to open or close them. These are awesome. For EDC use, you've got the sheep's foot blade. The carbon fiber does come with a stonewash type blade, where the Stars and Stripes version's got that black coated. But again, they're both the 154 cm steel, so if you know, you know. It's a good tool steel, good edge retention, easy to sharpen. So great for an EDC blade, great for tool steel. These have such a great feel to them. That rail lock is just absolutely perfect. There's no movement anyway in them. The Stars and Stripes version is normally, like I said, $99.99. It does come with aluminum handles, steel insert frames there. Like I said, the rail lock system. These are on ball bearings, all of them. And then the Rubato 2 in carbon fiber, you can tell when you hold it, it's just a little bit lighter weight. And that carbon fiber does take off some weight there, but it feels great. It has a great texture. It's beveled all around, if you can see that. And again, let me get a close-up of that so you can see the jimping on the back of these. It's just like jimping for days. But again, the sheep's foot design is great for EDC use. Great slicer. They all have lanyard holes in them also, I've noticed. And again, the lay flat hardware with reversible pocket clips. They just keep knocking it out of the park with these guys. They're getting better and better. Again, I saw a video where a guy was saying they're made by Kaiser, and that just makes so much sense now. But they are killing it with these. So again, as I said at the beginning of the video, you could take all these, and I don't think I mentioned it before, but they do have their Blue Timascus beads. If you sign up for Olight Store and you order anything, they're going to send you one for free. So that was not bundled in with anything. And the one thing I didn't show is they do have the Otacle also in yellow, or whatever color that you would like. These are great little EDC tools. If you don't carry a utility blade, think about getting one. You can we added that one to this bundle. And again, all this right now came in at $278.25, I believe it was. Let me check that. Look at the cart here. Yeah, everything all together was $278.25. That also, if you buy, I think it's if you spend over $199, you get the Otacle J1M titanium for free. That's a $19.99 gift. I don't even have one of those yet to show you, so it's not even shown here. So actually you get more than this for less than $280. If you want to throw in one of the Ohanks, I think they're $5 to throw one in. If you haven't checked those out, they're great. Nice feel to the inside of them. Good durable material on the outside. You can hear that. And anyway, I'm going to try to get this video out as quick as I can, because this sale is going on today. And I hope you guys can take advantage of it. Again, I'm going to try to put a link down below where you can sign up for the Olight store if you're not already signed up. But otherwise, this is your average gear reviewer out. Hey, thanks for watching, and really appreciate it. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing for more content. Leave a comment down below. It really helps us grow the channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Average Gear Review, and on Twitter at @average_gear.